This ever happened to you? You got a BMW or some little lowrider car and you're supposed to tie it down, and good Lord, well, I got one of the tread grabs in there. What am I gonna do about that? Doesn't want to go. We have a solution for that, which I'll show you next. Show them the pain and show them the remedy. Check this out. This is our budget strap, but we got the same ratchet handle that we put on our high-end diamond weave straps. Exact same one. We take and reinforce all the wear points like that. That's usually a lot of times where it'll wear out from the inside out from that hook just rubbing on it. You saw the problem with this low profile car. So we got a strap we call the low profile tread grab sleeve. It's got a lot of grip on it right there. It's real smooth on the inside, which allows us to get equal tension on the far side of the wheel from the ratchet, which is very important. And it kind of solves some problems for you on some of these little low profile sports cars and stuff where people feel the need to have the suspension all the way down just above an ant's head. You just kind of tuck that up in there like so. Boop. And there you have it. Snug as a bug in a rug. I don't know. Oh, by the way, that ramp there, in case anyone's curious, we do have a few of these left in stock. They're $810 a piece. We got them right here, 2671 Freewood Drive in Dallas. If you're interested in the low profile sleeve strap, they're $23.95 a piece. That's strap and ratchet and a little low profile tread grab. But because it's Christmas, if you buy 2 boxes or more, they're boxes of 10. So if you buy 20 or more, you get it for $19.50 a piece. So we knocked about $4.50 off there for you. So I don't have a ton of these, but I got a few more than I want. So I figured we might as well just do a little video, get them priced to sell, and move them on out. So we can ship them to you if you want, or you can swing by our warehouse here, 2671 Freewood Drive. We'll be happy to help you out. We're open Monday through Friday, 7 to 5. And if you want to talk to somebody on the phone, it's 866-855-4285. If you'd rather not speak to anybody, just buy online. That's cool too. Just go to autohaulersupply.com. Low profile wheel strap section, you'll see them on there. But you know, if the low profile tread grab sleeve thing isn't your thing, you want to go old school with the block rubber tread grabs. We got an everyday low price on them, $18.76, whether you buy 1 or 1,000. So we got plenty of these ones too, if this is the way you want to roll.